Ready, start.
Hello everyone, welcome to the video lecture. In this video lecture, I am going to explain how to fix the mini drafter to the drawing table. Similarly, how to set the drawing sheet with respect to the mini drafter. Before going to fix the drafter, let me explain the main parts of the mini drafter. So this is the left end or topmost end of the mini drafter. So this is called clamper. So for the purpose of fixing this clamp to the drawing table, we can use this clamping screw. This is also called knob. Similarly, we are having two bars, steel bars, both are parallel to each other, and here we are having two more bars. So here also parallel to each other. That is why this bar mechanism is called parallel bar mechanism. So with the help of parallel bar mechanism, we have arranged the mini drafter, and it works with the help of parallel bar mechanism. And if you come into the other end of the mini drafter, the two scales, that means mini drafter scales are fixed at the other end. So if you coming to this part, here we are having longer scale. So always we should use this longer scale horizontally, similarly this shorter scale vertically. And if we observe, particularly if you observe this portion, here protractor readings are marking at this particular portion. So we are having a mark also at this particular portion. Yeah, this is the protractor needle. So we can adjust the scale with the help of this protractor knob or this knob. We can adjust the mini drafter scale. Suppose we need to construct 30 degrees line. So we can open it, then fix the protractor at 30 degrees, then construct the 30 degrees line. Suppose we need to construct horizontal line, we should fix the protractor at 0 degrees, then we can construct 0 degrees line. So in this way we can construct the inclined and horizontal and different lines with the help of mini drafter. Now we can fix the drafter. Always we should fix the mini drafter to the drawing table at top left corner of drawing table. This is top left corner. So while fixing this one, we can open the knob or clamping screw, then place the clamp in this way, then place the two fingers behind the clamp so that we can avoid the gap between the clamp and table. So in this way we can hold the clamp. So after that we can tighten this one. So in this way we can fix the mini drafter to the drawing table. Yeah, this is over. This is about first step. After that we can leave this portion, and next we can place the support sheet. This is available in other than white color. Yeah, next step, place the support sheet over the drawing table. The purpose of the support sheet, suppose there is some dot on the drawing table, this one is avoiding to touch with the drawing sheet. So in the third stage, we can place the drawing sheet over the support sheet. Simply place the drawing sheet over the support sheet. Always we have to fix the drawing sheet to the drawing table at the bottom right corner of drawing table. Then simply fix the drawing sheet. This is not final step. And next, adjusting the drawing sheet with respect to the mini drafter. So for that purpose, we have to set the protractor at 0 degrees. 0 degrees. That means if we construct the line with the help of this longer scale, we will get horizontal lines. Similarly, if we construct the line with the help of this shorter scale, we will get vertical lines. Now we are going to adjust the drawing sheet with respect to the mini drafter. So here we have to set the drawing sheet such that the breadth of the drawing sheet should be coinciding with shorter scale. Similarly, this one, the length of the drawing sheet should be coinciding with longer scale. Breadth of the drawing sheet should be coinciding with shorter scale. So if you observe this one here, this is not coinciding. We have to adjust this particular portion. Now this breadth is coinciding with shorter scale. Then we can see whether the length and longer scale both are coinciding or not. So if you observe this particular portion, here length is coinciding with longer scale. Similarly, breadth is coinciding with shorter scale. Now we can fix the drawing sheet with the help of clips. At 3 corners enough. Yeah, this is about fixing the drawing sheet and drawing mini drafter. That is over. And next we can see how to start the drawings. Similarly, we can see the drawing sheet portion also. So suppose there are no border lines in the drawing sheet, we have to construct the border lines. Suppose there are no border lines in the drawing sheet, we have to construct border lines with the help of HB pencil, such that here we can leave 15 mm or 1 centimeter, that is your wish. 15 mm or 1 centimeter. Here I am marking one point. Yeah, this is showing 15 mm from the top end, similarly from the left end. So we can construct the border lines. That's it. So after that, if you coming to the title box, this is placed at the bottom right corner of your drawing sheet. Suppose this is not printed in the drawing sheet, we should prepare this one also in the drawing sheet. So initially here we are having college name, Srinidhi Institute of Science and Technology, and in the second row we are having title of the drawing sheet. We can write this particular, and name of the student also available. We should write our name, and here class, branch, scale, roll number, date, sheet number, all are available. We should fill everything before starting our drawing. And similarly here we should write the units of this particular drawing sheet also. So for that purpose we can draw two guidelines with 1 centimeter gap. We can draw two lines, that line with 2H pencil. Then we can write all dimensions are in mm. We can write all dimensions are in mm within the guidelines. And one more thing, here I am explaining the gap between the guidelines, that is 1 centimeter, that is enough. All dimensions are in mm, small letters, only mm small letters, remaining all letters are capital letters. This is about fixing the drawing sheet and mini drafter. And one more thing, let me show you the pencils. Yes, we can see with the help of HB pencil, always we will get the line in this way, that is dark line. And similarly with the help of H pencil, we will get the medium darkness. And with the help of 2H pencil, we will get very light line. So while we are constructing 2H line, don't apply the pressure. Yeah, that is 2H line. Yeah, we can see the 2H line one more time. Here we are able to see the difference between H2H and HB. So we can see the this particular thing. And with the help of H pencil, we can write the letters. For writing A, B, C, D letters, and similarly for writing numbers 1, 2, 3 and so on. This one for aim. Similarly this one for constructional lines. This is HB, H to H. Thank you.